This is another time of learning, and we have a question here. The question says, town A is 61 kilometers north and 23 kilometers east of town B. Calculate the bearing of A from B. A is to signify your north. This is your north, and this is east. The other side here is west. We are told that town A is 61 kilometers north. You draw the north. So town B is here. And town A is also 21 kilometers east. 61 kilometers north. So put your 61 here. Then 21 kilometers east. So this is where you have A, town A. Then the question is, what is the bearing of A from B and bearing of B from A? So let's join this and this one together. Can I repeat once more? Town A is 61 kilometers north, then 23 kilometers east. Okay? So you can identify this to be angle 90. The question is, what is the bearing of A from B? From B. So what you are asked to find is this angle. So let's call it angle X. What is X? Because the bearing of B is from the north to this place. Don't forget what we discussed about true bearing or 3-digit bearing. And a true bearing is always from the north, and it has 3 digits. So from here to this place, that's the question. So from here, this is angle 90, and this is the angle in question. Opposite to this angle is this 23. So we have this place to be opposite. Then this one is adjacent. So from here, you use any of the trigonometric ratio. You have so, quatua. So you cannot use sine because you are given opposite, but you are not given hypotenuse. This hypotenuse, the longest side. You cannot use cos x, because you are given adjacent, but you are not given hypotenuse, which is the longest side. So you can only use this. So you have tan x equal to opposite all over adjacent, which is equal to, your opposite is 23, then your adjacent is 61. So if you calculate this, 23 over 61 is 0.377. Now, so this is tan x. Now you want to find x. So divide both sides by tan. So you have x equal to tan inverse into. So this arctan this. So by the time you look at your 4-figure table or you use your calculator, press the inverse and press tan. Or you may directly press tan inverse and then press this number. It will give you this. That's what you will get. So your answer will now become, don't forget you must write in 3-digit form,